Hello everyone, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I am starting this video super late. It is already like 3:30 in the afternoon. Today did not go as planned at all. Not really sure what I had planned, but it definitely wasn't to be back in the cardiologist's office today, but that's what happened. I woke up in a lot of pain, just extremely uncomfortable. And at that point, I was just like, how is it getting worse, right? Like, I should be feeling better at this point. I'm also not a very patient person. I know that I've mentioned that before. I am not patient. So I called the cardiologist. Hi, son. How are you? The son, not my son. Anyway, so I called the cardiologist office and was like, hey, I'm not quite sure that this is how I'm supposed to be feeling right now. I'm a little bit concerned. And at that point, the cardiologist office wasn't even open. So it sent me to like the nurse line, like the emergency line, where they sort of, you know, like over the phone, like triage you to see if, do we need to send an ambulance to her house or is everything okay? Obviously everything was okay. But they said when the cardiologist office actually opens, give them a call and see if you can get in to see the doctor so he can do like a physical exam of, you know, and just kind of look at you and see what's going on. So I did that, and he was like, he did tell me that this was perfectly normal. It just wasn't my normal. I've had so many surgeries in my life, and I was just like, this sucks. And it's just where it is on my body. So what's going on right now is that there's so much inflammation. There's also a lot of nerves in the groin area. So inflammation plus nerves, not a very comfortable feeling. So I again, like I've said before, I'm not real big on pain meds. So he said to pause. That's my Ring door alarm, and my dogs know the sound. So someone's at our front door. Hang on. All right, it was an Amazon delivery. Anyway, so I forgot what the heck I was saying. Anyway, so there's still quite a bit of swelling, plus nerves in that area. Things are just extremely uncomfortable. I will be fine. But he went ahead and also ordered an ultrasound, so we did that. They didn't see any sort of like clotting issues. I think that's what they were looking for. All I know is like the technician who was doing the ultrasound, I didn't mean to. I'm pretty sure I flung my leg in her direction like I was going to kick her. But you know, when they do an ultrasound, they do apply pressure, and I can't have pressure on that area right now. But she was very kind, very understanding, and just, she was amazing. So the end of it, Doc was like, I need you to stay off your feet. I need you to stay sitting or laying down or reclining and just not doing all the things that you're trying to do. And he kind of looked at me like he knows that I'm that person who doesn't sit still. And he's very right. So I need to just sit and be still. And I'm just frustrated. I was talking to one of my girlfriends, and I'm just like, I just want to move. I'm so excited about the progress my body's made and the things that were corrected with this cardiac procedure that I'm like, I want to go on a like 2-3 mile walk at least to start, right? No, can't do that. So anyway, enough about that. Since it is kind of late in the day and I've missed chatting with you guys all day, let's do something Christmas related for once and have it not be advent calendars. So this video might be short, but you know what we're going to do today? We are going to do that DIY ornament from Target. Let's go get it. All right, so what I have grabbed is my phone. You guys, I'm going to throw that thing across the damn room. I grabbed this ornament from Target. I found it in the dollar spot. It was like $3, but got that. I have a funnel. I cannot remember where I got this. It's by Joie. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but let me see if I can get it up there. I don't know. I honestly think this might have been one of those things that you randomly find at Target. No, not Target. TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. That's what I meant. Okay. Anyway, I also grabbed some glue. I don't know why. I think you might need to be able to close this thing shut permanently. We'll see. And of course, some kitchen scissors. All right, let's get started. And I'm gonna move the camera in a second so you guys can actually see what the heck I'm doing. It has instructions like right on the back here, which look pretty easy. So it just says you're gonna fill the ornament in the order of your choice with the provided embellishments. Close the metal top and get creative with fun designs. If desired, glue can be used to secure the characters and icons to the inside or outside. How in the world? I'm gonna break something. I already know this. So, yep, things are falling. So it comes with these little like styrofoam balls that look like snow. They're super tiny. A whole lot of, that's gonna be messy. Some of this, a tree, a candy cane. I'm not gluing any of these things in place, you guys. I'm not, no. And a snowman with a third eye. He legit has a third eye. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's an extra eyeball up there. I don't know. It's the 2020 snowman. He gets an extra eyeball. Yep, there's an extra eye. Poor dude. Poor little dude. Look at him. Can you see that? Hi. He has an extra eye. Ooh, Lord. Okay. And there's a wreath. All right. So, it says that you're just going to open it like so. All right, let's move the camera so that you guys can actually see what the heck I'm doing. So I'm gonna kind of keep the picture near me. It kind of shows everything kind of all jumbled. It's not about getting it perfect, right? So it looks like we should put this blue stuff first, this like blue sequency stuff. This is why I don't do like those crafting, you know, those channel like DIY, although I show you guys how to do a lot of things. Let's see if this funnel, all right, let's see if this funnel was even, oh yeah, okay. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, so that's in there. And then it looks like they used the snow next. I need something to hold this thing. Okay, this is what we'll do. What am I doing? There's glitter everywhere. Okay, stay. Nope, okay. All right, let's do the snow. My little ball is going everywhere. Okay. Stay right there. I need... no! Okay. So there's glitter everywhere. You know what? I'm done. No, I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. I need to find, like, something to help hold it up. I've got this, like, little Ray Dunn thing that was... There we go. Stay. I don't know why I'm talking to it like it's a dog, but anyway, let's see. This has been amusing so far. All right, let's get the funnel. Nope, 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 nope. This thing is slippery. All right, this is why you need extra people. I asked Nathan, do you want to do a DIY ornament? And he was like, nope, ran upstairs. It's like, yeah, I didn't think so. There we go. Oh, okay. There's a backup. Oh, here we go. Just gotta shake it. Just gotta shake it. Shake it up. Shake it up. Okay, I don't want a copyright violation. Not that I sound like Taylor Swift. Hello, come on. Almost done. This is... Okay, I just looked at my viewfinder and was like, okay, not the most, let's do that motion instead. Okay. We've got a little bit. Do I want to put all of that though? That really filled it up like almost too much, like nothing's gonna fit. All right, we're gonna take some out. It doesn't say you have to use all of the embellishments provided. However, okay, I think that right there is enough. All right, so now we are going to toss in the snowman. He's supposed to fit in here, and the tree. Okay. Whoa. Oh my God, he's buried. He's buried in there. Come out. What in the world? Okay. Okay, I don't even know what to do. He's like in there. I'm trying to get him to the top. Great. So I think the only option here, the mess is real, is to empty out more. But he doesn't like sit up. This is the worst. This is not fun. Okay, I can't get him to stay up. He's in there. He's just having a little bit of a issue. Okay, we're just gonna put the tree in. It shows the tree inside the globe, or inside the ornament. Okay, there's that. The tree is alive and well, sort of. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is in there. And then we're going to add, we're just gonna keep adding stuff. It shows like the wreath and the candy cane are on the outside of the ornament, so that's fine. We can handle that. Do we even want to add this? I'm really concerned about our snowman, you guys. He is not happy. I'm trying to figure out how they got theirs to just sit on top like that. I don't know. You should see the mess. There's little balls everywhere. Little balls everywhere. Okay. I think that's it. That's really like it with this ornament. Okay. The top of the ornament now. My snowman is nowhere to be found. He's very upset with me. Yeah. I kind of want to get him out of there. I'm worried about him. Come out. Then I get him out and then the tree goes down in the snow too. And then all of the blue stuff is stuck to one side. I don't know, you guys, if I was actually reviewing this would be like a big fat nope. Oh man, I think the little snowballs should have been bigger so that the snowman could have actually sat on top of the ornament. That's what I'm thinking. I'm just saying. I don't even know what this stuff is for. They look like they didn't use it at all. So we're gonna glue the ornament on here like they have it at the top of the ball here. I need to back up a little bit. Just glue it on there. This looks nothing like the picture and it is bugging me. And there goes my ornament. All right, so let's put some glue. Oh man, I don't even remember when was the last time I used this. Do I need more than that? There's no such thing as too much glue, right? Maybe? There was also no such thing as too many snowballs either. And that did not work. All right. There's that. I'm afraid to touch it. The second this thing moves, my wreath is gonna go flying off of here. I should have gotten the candy cane out of the package. Oh my God. I'm trying to hold the ornament, open the candy cane, keep my wreath from falling. Multitasking at its finest. All right, we are going to, oh, there went the wreath and there's super glue on my kitchen table. Hold on while I have a complete meltdown. All right, we're gonna try again. There's super glue everywhere. Super glue everywhere. Anyway, it's Gorilla Glue. And it's probably not going to hold anything on there because I think Gorilla Glue needs like pressure or whatever. This isn't gonna stay on there. Well, let me tell you guys, I was excited for this and I'm sure a kid like doesn't care, but I'm not a kid and I care. And that looks like a snowman who met his fate in a blizzard and is buried underneath the snow with a tree because he's like face down in the snow too. Okay, I don't even know what to say. This was definitely a DIY ornament fail. I wish you guys could see, there's so much of the blue stuff stuck to the edge of this thing, but my tree is nowhere in sight. Neither is my wreath. Well, that's all for today, kids. Okay, so for $3 though, seriously, and if this is something that you got some kids just to keep them busy and out of your hair while you are getting yourself and your family ready for the holidays, then sure, this is fine. If you have any expectations of creating a ornament that is a masterpiece, just don't. All right, that was entertaining. I hope that you were entertained as well. So that's where I'm gonna end this video because now I have to vacuum my table and remove the super glue from my table. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Bye everyone.